What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a lovely E-Class here. It's the 2014, a particularly clean example, only 37,000 miles, nice and low for a 14. Let's see how the interior does. Let's see if it's squeaky, and if so, how much. Stay tuned. Good so far back here. Only thing I'm noticing is plastic here. While it's not too squeaky, it is quite cheap feeling, but doesn't squeak all that much. Let's check out the front. All right, now for the button test. And now for the final button. All right, how did it do? Well, kind of as I expected. It's a bit creaky. Not ultra loud creaks like I've seen in some Mercedes, but good amount of stuff was creaky. It was, I would say, slightly worse than the C63 I did just a couple days ago. That one I gave it, I think, a 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. I give this one a 5 out of 10 for fit and finish. Just Mercedes being Mercedes. As far as materials go, things are looking a little bit brighter here. There's not really a lot of ugly materials or hard plastic. I shouldn't say ugly materials. There are some ugly materials, but I'll touch on that in a sec. Really, no hard plastic in a lot of the main areas. Like, this is all soft touch, and below here. They do good on that, and the wood is decent looking. It hasn't cracked yet, which is nice. Some of the buttons, especially in this center console area, feel a little bit cheap when you press down on them. Same with the steering wheel buttons. I guess they're not horrible, they're just not really that special either. Although I do like the seat controls. These look pretty nice, not gonna lie there. The seats, these are MB Techs all day. I really wish that if you bought an E-Class, brand new, these run maybe 50, 60 grand. I'd love some real leather seats, but guess we can't have everything now, can we? And then we got, here's where I was talking about the ugly materials. This is a cloth headliner, actually, but it's a really nasty, scratchy cloth. Does not feel good. Even though it's technically cloth, it's an improvement over the plastic sun visor. It's a bad cloth. Not really too pleased about this. And yeah, that's about all I have to say here. I do like the steering wheel quite a bit. I think this is an E350 luxury, if I'm not mistaken. So you get the luxury grille with the Mercedes hood ornament. I love these hood ornaments, by the way. And you get the wood steering wheel. Love the wood steering wheel, by the way. One of my favorites. Mercedes does do very good when it comes to their steering wheels. Gotta give them that. So material wise, I would give this a 6 out of 10. It's a bit above average. It's nice. Not outstanding, but pretty nice. So there you guys have it. 5 out of 10 for fit and finish. 6 out of 10 for materials. Let me know your thoughts down below. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.